Cleaning and caring for your coffee maker. To clean your carafe, hand wash the carafe and lid using a mild detergent after each use. These parts can be removed and washed in the dishwasher. To remove the shower head for cleaning, simply twist the shower head counterclockwise to detach it from the lid. The shower head can be reattached by twisting it clockwise and aligning the lock icon with the arrow. Wipe down the body of the machine using a damp cloth. Dry thoroughly. Descaling your coffee maker. The clean button light will turn on after every 90 cycles, reminding you to descale your coffee maker. To descale, fill the water tank with water and descaling solution mixture up to the max fill line. Make sure that the empty carafe is in place with the lid fully screwed on. Ensure there is no filter or coffee in the brew basket. Start by sliding the switch all the way to the right to select the carafe. Press the power button, then press the clean button. You can cancel the cycle at any time by pressing the clean button or the power button. When the clean cycle is complete, your coffee maker will chime, and the clean button light will turn off. When descaling is complete, you will need to run a rinse cycle before brewing coffee. Fill the water tank to the max fill line with only water. Make sure that the empty carafe is in place with the lid fully screwed on. Press the 5 to 8 cup brew button to start the rinse cycle. Discard the water once the rinse is complete.